Okay, we have another question. This person here is asking if this app that brings Solvly works for accounting. The answer is yes. Okay, let me remind you guys that this app works virtually for every subject and every module. I've actually printed out a bunch of previous question papers, for different subjects, so that I can demonstrate to you guys just how effectively this app is when it comes to assisting with all these subjects. But for now, let me just quickly show you what exactly I mean. So this is an accounting question paper. Unfortunately, it is paper 2 of accounting. I would have preferred if I had a paper 1 because I feel like paper 1 is much more complicated. But let me just demonstrate to you. If for example the question has got multiple sections or parts, you can take pictures using your phone's camera, and then upload those pictures, all of them at once, to this app, or you can just take the picture through the app. It actually solves the problem for you. It explains the different steps. And what I like about this app is that if your question is not clear enough, or if for some reason there is no certainty in its answer, it will explain to you that it needs certain extra information to be able to effectively respond to you or to answer you. For example, it can tell you that it needs some data for modules or subjects like accounting. That is very important. If you don't provide it with all the information it needs, obviously it won't get your answers right, or it won't be able to answer. But it usually will tell you that something is missing here. It can just give you formulas for when you have all the data. So yeah, it does work for accounting. That is the short answer, and I will demonstrate this more using other even more complicated questions on accounting, because I've gotten quite a number of questions, people asking if it works for accounting, and the answer is yes.